guys. Just letting you see, not check up on you, but letting you see my look for today. And I'm about to curl this wig. It's one of my favorite wigs. This is a 1B. I'm gonna wind it, the hair, to give me some more curls on body. Now this wig right here is from Dyhair777. I love their wigs. I'm always buying wigs from Dyhair777. I love it. And this hair is so cute. This is a 16-inch. I think I probably trimmed some of that hair. But this wig, you see I put the baby hairs and everything. This wig right here, the lace is only from here to here. And I had went on to take some of the hair and laid it down, but right here, it doesn't have any lace on these sides. So I just put some baby hair, made some little swirls on the side, but it doesn't have any lace right here, which I kind of like because sometimes that lace, a lot of times I cut the lace off around my ears anyway, because it be irritating my ears, and a lot of times it don't stay. And to me, it looks more natural when I put my own hair down and all that good stuff. So I don't know if this lace is called 13 by 14 or something. I could be wrong, but it was a deep wave, and it's got plenty of other parting in here, up and through here. You do get a little bit more parting just right up and through here, because the lace, let's see, I don't know if you can see it, the lace is right here, because I went on and just colored in my part right here. So you do get some more lace right up and through here, and it goes to back here. So that you guys can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and wind this hair, and I got my little wand. I don't know, I've been having this wand for a while, and I'm not even sure what type of wand this is. But you know, every other day I feel like being somebody different. I want to change my look up. I don't feel like being the same all the time, even though I do love my short hair. And like always, it starts growing. I'm gonna cut it down some more again. But right now, I had that blonde quick weave, which I really didn't care for. And I decided to go ahead and take that out, and I didn't feel like doing my hair just yet. So I went on and put some got to be spray and a little bit of got to be glue on the side of, on the front of this hair. And so I can have it just to last me for a little while. And just hooking this up. And I bought some cute little outfits, y'all. I want to see what you guys think from some different what you call it when you sell online, and I'm sure they're from China, from some different I don't know what you call it, from different shops online. And I'm gonna believe the name and tell you the name, and I'm gonna want you guys, I'm gonna try them on, and you guys tell me what you think. But I also gotta go out here and make some runs today and take you guys with me. But I just wanted to let you see my hair and see how well this curl up. And then after I get through, I'll see. I haven't been putting makeup on because it really ain't been no reason to put makeup on other than when I go out, you know. If I'm just going out for, I need to do this one better. If I'm just going out for just, like the other day, I went out with my friends on a brunch. So it wasn't nothing all that fantastic. But if I'm going out to like a club or something, excuse me, I'll put makeup on. But it just be too many people at the club acting reckless here to me. Like I put up a video. There's a lot of things to do as a club, but a lot of things is a little too reckless for me. But because the clubs kind of be packed, look like I be seeing pictures that be packed. But let y'all know I am gonna be making probably 2 or 3 videos a week, so that y'all know I've been making 3 here lately, and it gets to be a lot to try to figure out what to talk to y'all about. So if you have ideas of stuff you want me to talk about, if you have any questions, please put them in the comment box and like and subscribe the video. But put them in the comment box and tell me what you think. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish up winding this hair, baby. And then we're gonna go from there. Okay, and then we're gonna show you some cute outfits. And you tell me what you think from these new sellers. From these new online boutiques. You know, because a lot of times me kind of being, I'm kind of like a plus size or in between a plus size. It's hard to sometimes get the right things to fit you from a lot of them places. A lot of them places don't fit you right. Or the pants in the front, the crouch be hanging on and stuff. That's so annoying. So a lot of times it's hard to get stuff to fit you right from the little places, or they made too freaking cheap. And that's nothing is made too cheap. But sometimes you get what you pay for. If you're trying to be extra cheap, sometimes you get extra cheap. But if I can find me a place that does has some cute clothes and they're cheap but they fit pretty well, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. And have been working on my weight loss. I have started back with working on my weight loss after the holidays. So because I was like, get up to like 207. Now I dropped it down to 200, and I was 207 before the holidays. Then I dropped it down to 200. Now, and then I said I dropped it down so I can eat good for the holidays. Now the holidays is over, and I start cleansing myself out again, and doing all the cleansing, taking the detox tea and the omega-7s, clean myself out, and I made sure I'm still at 200. Now we want to lose, like I said, I just probably extra, probably 10, 15 pounds. I don't look good too small. I look like a bobblehead. And I know that don't seem like too small but for a lot of people, but yeah, I don't, wow. So, and just point to also just to be healthy. You know, I want my clothes to fit better and all that good stuff. Just a point to be healthy, you know, and this is the point where most people, that should be your most important thing, is to be healthy, you know. But I haven't been like exercising. I ain't getting ready to lie to y'all. I ain't been exercising. You know, and that ain't good because you need to exercise your heart, but I haven't been. But sometimes eat what I want and then go back to, you know, so I guess get more serious if I want to take off this extra 10 or 15, especially get rid of these 12 chins. You know what I mean? So, you see how this is coming out cute with this wand? This wand. So let me go ahead and finish this up, speed this up, and then we'll go from there. Didn't cost a whole lot. I think I paid like $130 for this wig because of I guess it's being that the lace was only from here to here, so it didn't cost that much, and so that's why. But Dyhair777 is where I love to get. I mean, I got some other places that I like to get wigs, but I don't know. Dyhair777 is one of my favorites. Now I am getting some kind of shedding. I don't know if you can see that. Some shedding because I'm putting my fingers through it, taking my fingers through it. But mind you, I've been having this wig, so because I take good care of my wigs, and this is sliding back. But I did put it down, so I push it back up. But I take good care of my wigs. I've been having this wig for shoot, about a year, if not a year. I think it's been about almost a year, if it's not been a year. But I always like they're my real hair. I always condition them and all that good stuff to take good care of them. Condition the hair. And I like to just try to, you know, take care, because I want them, I spend my money on them. I want them to last me for a while, for a little while anyway, you know. I'm trying to get that little hump out of there, because I didn't put it somewhere in there. But last me for a little while. So I just wanted to let you see. You see, it curled really well. Dyhair777 got different types of textures. They have like, you can get Peruvian, you can get Brazilian, you can get Malaysian, you can get those types, depending on which one you want, those types of different hair types. And that's basically how that goes. But and this is 130 density. So I think it looks really good. I like stuff that ain't too thick, that looks more natural, that ain't too like, you get too much hair, I feel like it look like Cousin It or something. I don't know. That don't be cute to me, but to each his own. So let me see that. So if I was really going somewhere and put that makeup on, honey, I'd be, what? Okay, so next step, I'm going to show you guys these pieces that I bought and from different stores. And one is called, was it Irisstyles? I'm going to have to give y'all the name and let y'all know when I show you the pieces. I have put the outfits on, tried them on the other day, and I want you guys to tell me what you think about them, because they're really cute, different pieces, and I put my own look to it. But I'll be going out this weekend somewhere, and I want to see which one will be cute, you know, that I want to wear. So I'm trying to figure out which one I want to wear, but I want to show you guys the pieces that I got. But I have to get the names to let you know exactly the names of the places that I bought them from online, okay, and let you know how they feel, how they fit. So I'm going to show you the pictures of the outfits, and then I'll show you a picture of me trying them on the other day, okay? So be right back. Okay guys, this is the one. It's a long like dress that I'm gonna put on. I'm gonna put a picture of me with that on. I'm gonna try it on real quick so y'all can see it, and then I'm gonna put a picture of me wearing it and tell me what you guys think, if that should be one of the outfits. I got this piece from, it's called Noblemandy. That's where I got this set, called Noblemandy. And let me just try it on so you can see it real quick. Okay, this is what it looks like. It goes all the way to the floor. I guess you could wear it as a dress or have a belt on or something with it. But I got a black bodysuit also. I was thinking about, this is just a shirt and black pants, but to wear up under here. But I got also a different look I'm going to show you guys that I tried on the other day, and I'm going to put a picture up so you can see how it looked, that I went out in it, and I was thinking about this being one of the things I take this weekend. But this comes from, it's called Noblemandy. I'll put the name in so you can see where, and I ordered it online. And it's really cute. So you can wear it different ways, but I'm gonna show you one of the ways. I'm gonna put a picture up so you can see one of the ways that I did wear this piece. Okay, so I got this is like a hoodie. I have a picture of it so you guys can see me in it. I got it from Fashion Nova. And it's a tie around, and it's got the arms out. It's really cute. So I'm gonna put a picture in of it that I got from Fashion Nova. And also here's the little like legging pants to go with it. Let me pull that out so you can see. It's like some legging pants that you get to go with it. But like I said, I'm gonna let you guys see. Also, I got this other outfit that I'm going to show you. I got this from a new place. It used to be Forever She, I think. Now, I think they might change their name. Wide leg pants. It is really cute on. It's called Irisstyles. It's got a crop top hoodie. I'm thinking about taking that with me or wearing that. I don't know. That's if I go this weekend, because my buddies wanted to go out of town somewhere, and I don't know. So if so, I'll videotape it so you guys can see. But that's the other. It's a crop top. I got a picture. I tried it on the other day. I didn't go out in it, and I'll put the picture up, and I'm gonna let you guys see that it comes from Irisstyles, and I think I got it because this was new. I wasn't sure about their size, and a lot of times I'll get an extra large when I'm not sure about their size and to get the feel. Now I'm gonna tell you, the top, the crop top, the arms, trying to get that crop top on was the devil. It was a fight. It was a little too tight. So it's not stretchy. So they needed to make that stretchy, but it was a fight. But when I got it on, I was almost like, forget it. But I did get it on, and it fit cute, and it looked cute, but it's the fight getting it on and off. So I'm gonna put a picture in and let you guys see. Yeah, you see, look at me. We end up not going nowhere, which is cool, which it all worked out. I'm chilling anyway. You know, it's coronavirus out here. It's COVID, so you gotta be safe. But I hope you guys like my outfits. Tell me what you think. And I want you to comment, like, and subscribe. And you guys have a blessed one, all right? I'm gonna continue here and chill and relax. Don't have a problem with that. Y'all be blessed.